first, we're going to get started on our complex shaped people. We're going to start by filling in our person that we have created with circles and squares and rectangles that we put all together to make someone who's complex. None of this stick man stuff. So we got this complex person. We're filling it in with Sharpie. So we want to make sure that we're filling it in with something that isn't going to run when it gets wet, because later on we're going to be getting our paper wet to make it look like there's some movement. So here I am filling it in with Sharpie. We'll see if we can speed this up a little bit so that we will not be sitting here all day. All right, speed it up. Now that we've got that all filled in, we're going to go ahead and pull out our washable markers. Any washable markers will do. They can be Crayola or Prang or Rosart or whatever. You're going to select out between 2, 3, 4 of your favorite colors. Actually, you can use as many as you want. I'm going to pick 3 here. When you pick colors, think about those color relationships and what's going to happen when they blend and mix. And if that is not a problem, you can choose whatever colors you want. I stuck with some warm colors this time to make it feel like it has really a lot of energy. Right, now we're going to take our markers and we're just going to trace the outline of our person. We're going to go all the way around, and I'm trying to make kind of a thicker line with that marker because the more ink that's on the paper, the more it's going to spread. So if you tip your marker slightly to the side, you'll get a thicker line. If you use the tip, it'll be thinner. I'm going to go all the way around. I am leaving a little bit of space between the marker and the person just to have room for it to spread. I'm going to do this with all of the colors alternating, creating a ABC pattern for me because I have 3 colors. We'll go pink, orange, yellow, over and over again. Depending on your colors, you might use a different pattern. It's up to you. Again, we're leaving a little bit of space between the last line we just made and this line, just so there's room to spread. Some colors are going to spread more than others, so keep that in mind. And I'm going to speed up the video once again. We've got our colors all filled in, so now we need our paintbrush and our water. We're going to go over all of our lines with Mr. Brush, getting that marker all wet. I like to stay going on the line, but you could go right to left, left to right, etc. I just go around and around and around, and you'll start to notice that marker will spread. Some markers are going to spread quicker, some markers are going to spread slower. Just make sure you're getting a lot of water on there to let it go. If you use less water, it might spread a little bit less. If you use more water, it might spread a little bit more. Sometimes it's unpredictable. Let's speed up that video one last time. We added water to the whole thing. Just gonna do a few little touch-ups and let it dry, and when it's dry we'll see how it turned out. I hope you guys had a lot of fun making this. I did.